Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. This is my latest purchase, 2014 Volkswagen Passat TDI. I bought this car last week on Friday, it's Monday, so it's time to start servicing it, correct? So let's start with some basic, like a engine air filter. It's a used vehicle with 124,000 miles on the odometer. So as you can imagine, there will be lots of parts to replace or service. For example, this hood strap. I just got the title last week, so I still need to go and order this part. That was not enough. Maybe now. Okay, now we can work here. Engine air filter is right inside of this housing, and to get inside you will need this bit, and it's called Torx T20, and it's kept closed with these small screws. That's why we are grabbing the Torx T20. All I just have to do, release them like this. They will stay in the place, you don't have to remove them. There's another one right here, and 3 more on this side. If I did it correctly, I should be able to open that housing, which is true. It just opened, and voila, here is the filter. Is it bad or is it good? What do you think? Yeah, that's pretty dirty, will you not say? Here is another detailed look on the filter we have removed. You may think it's pretty clean if you look on this side. I will say this is pretty good still, but since this Volkswagen Passat is my new baby, I will go ahead and replace it. Before installing new one, I want to make sure this tray, this box, it's not dirty, and I hope you can see it. It's actually a bunch of dust and dirt there, so I will bring my vacuum and get rid of it. Here is the new unit which I just got delivered. It looks like somebody opened that box and touched the filter with dirty hands, but other than that, it's perfectly brand new, so I will go ahead and install it. Not sure if somebody ordered the wrong one and it didn't fit for them or whatever happened, but that's not a problem for me. Just always make sure that the rubber perfectly fits in, and you will be not just pinching it or something. It has to be perfect, because then, and only after that, only then it will perfectly work. So nice fit, I can feel it. And now, tightening these screws, I will not use the power tool because they are all going into the plastic. And since I have respect for this car, I rather spend tiny bit more time, tiny bit, and I will do it by hand. I could obviously also on my power tool select the low power. It's the number 1. I hope you can see it. You can keep switching between more torque and less torque. Let's see how that will work if you are really in the hurry. Yeah, I don't like that. There's not enough feeling. It was already jumping at low torque, and I can still torque it with the hand. So I rather spend a little bit more time on this. That's my personal preference, but it's because how many times I dealt with these on German vehicles, Volkswagen and Mercedes. I never really owned Audi. I had many Mercedes and many Volkswagens. And how many times this was stripped because somebody damaged it. I want to prevent this. For me, that's a very new vehicle, 2014. I really like it. And I want to prevent any damages. Look at it. Oh yeah, one more. Peter, pay attention. One more screw right here. Perfect. So now I have it perfectly installed and we are basically done. I hope many of you will find this video helpful. If you do, please always give it a thumb up and stay tuned. Have way more coming your way regarding this car soon. I will be really fully servicing it and posting as many videos as possible on this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.